Hey guys, Rom Guruji here, and today we are talking about a very interesting phone. Now, you know it is really difficult receiving Android beta updates for your phone from one company. But this phone has actually received this Android 11 beta update from two companies. That's right, I am talking about the Iqoo 3. Well, you know what has happened is, before we get into what has happened, if you're new here, press that subscribe button and the bell icon for all the notifications. And without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, talking about the Iqoo 3, it just received an Android 11 beta update from Vivo. Now, Iqoo 3 received an update from Vivo. Vivo, being the mother company of Iqoo 3, can do that. But as far as Iqoo goes, they've said that they are an independent company. Well, not really. If you actually look into the OS, you'll find a lot of stuff from Vivo. But we are not here to talk about that. We are here to talk about the latest Android 11 beta update that Iqoo 3 received from Vivo. And it is surprisingly identical to what is already existing. Yes, you will not see any Android 11 specific features in the latest Funtouch OS update, or rather Iqoo update for the Iqoo 3. You're just going to see what was already there, but on the Android 11 stable code. So again, this is obviously a beta, this is not what is actually existent, but the beta just makes me feel very sad. There are no UI changes, absolutely nothing, except for the iManager app, which is a bit changed, and the touch animation, which sends sparkles on your screen. Yes, but no, other than that, there is nothing much that has changed, and it's absolutely the same as your Android 10 version. So if you're looking for a huge UI change, there's nothing changed. Under the hood, there are a few things changed. The performance is much better now, and the animation times are much shorter, so your phone feels a bit more snappy and smooth. But this also comes at a cost. There is a lot of lagginess at times in certain applications. Most of the applications, one or the other time, will force close for no apparent reason. There are a few applications which won't just open for no reason. And if you're using the camera, your camera shutter button will hang for a few minutes for no reason, no issue whatsoever, and then it'll suddenly start snapping again. So those are a few things that you will face when you're using the Iqoo 3's Android 11 Funtouch OS variant of the beta, right? Obviously there are no gestures working too. What they have fixed is a fingerprint, right? So now you can use your fingerprint or face unlock with your Android 11 beta in the Iqoo 3. But that's where the wagon for changes end, right? There are no major changes that have been displayed, right? No Android 11 specific features are visible, right? The bubble notifications, notification categorization, the media widget in the status bar, or rather the quick settings per se, sorry, my bad. None of that has changed. It's absolutely the same, which is disgraceful, because change something, or at least give us what Google is giving everyone, please. So yeah, that is all about Android 11 you need to know, because as I told you, not much has changed. So it's your choice whether you want to download this or not. It is stable enough for normal usage, but I wouldn't suggest it, because that forced closing of apps and the camera hanging is a bit of an inconvenience. Even though it will not break those features fully, it will cost you a bit of time. So it is dependent on you whether you want to download it or not, right? If you did like the video though, please give us a thumbs up. It would mean a lot. Also, I do have a very special link for all the photographers out there where you can sell your photos as stock and earn money. Go in the description for it. That's all for this video, guys. If you did like the video, consider subscribing, liking, commenting, right? See you again.